Dear students, today I am starting for you chapter electricity. Might you are aware about electricity in your earlier classes. Have you read? In that you have read about the flow of charge is called current. Now you have read in our classes the current is just like a flow of water. Have you seen in your daily life how the water is flowing? Similarly, the charge is also flowing in a wire. In this chapter, you will read about the all these electricity. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि जैसे कैसे वाटर फ्लो होता है, सिमिलरली वैसे ही करंट में वाटर करंट उसको कहते हैं, हम इसको यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रिक करंट कहते हैं। इलेक्ट्रिक करंट में क्या है, चार्ज का फ्लो होना होता है। चार्ज का फ्लो वायर के थ्रू फ्लो होता है, जिसमें फ्लो होता है उसको हम इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट बोलते हैं। क्या बोलते हैं? इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट बोलते हैं। इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट बोलते हैं। अब इन चैप्टर में कुछ चीज़ें आपको नई नई मिलेंगी, कुछ चीज़ें आप जो है पहले से पढ़ रखे हैं, तो आप उनमें जो आइडिया लेंगे। पहले तो हम बात करें इलेक्ट्रिक करंट का। इलेक्ट्रिक करंट क्या होता है? फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज, रेट ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज इज कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, इज कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रिक करंट। क्या कहते हैं उसको? फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज और रेट ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज इज कॉल्ड electric current. You can read in your classes already. The electric current is rate of flow of charge, rate of flow of charge. In that, you know, current is denoted by word I, capital I, and charge is denoted by capital Q or Q by time. First, in your mind, it will be develop a question: what is charge? If I ask you what is charge, then it is difficult to give you an answer. What is charge? Basically, the charge, when you rub one body to other body, you know something flowing from one body to other body, by which it get the attract or repel the other body. Basically, electrons are flowing. You know, every atom, every material is made up of atom. Atom containing the proton, electron and neutron. Electron is on outer surface. What is happening? When the electricity is applied, charges start flowing. There's a water flowing from higher level to lower level. Similarly, the charges start flowing from higher level to lower level. When you attach a battery, you will find the charge start flowing from one end to other end. Okay. Now in that you can say the electrons are flowing. How much electrons are flowing? You get a charge value Q is equal to Ne. You will get a charge value Q is equal to Ne, where N is the number of atom, where N is the number of electron, where N is number of electron, where N is number of electron, and E is the charge of electron, where N is number of electron, and E is charge of electron. You know the value of charge of electron is how much? It is equal to 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19 coulomb. It is 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19 coulomb. Now if I am saying to you, just find out the current value, find out current value in 1 second, when 10,000 electrons are flowing, when 10,000 electrons are flowing, You will apply a formula, I is equal to Q upon T. You put the value of Q is equal to Ne upon T. You put the value of all 10,000 of N and charge 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 upon time, that is 1. Then you will find the value becomes I is equal to how much? 1.6 into 1.6 into I is equal to, you can calculate 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, and here 10,000 become 10 to the power 4. You can write like, and then you will have 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 15. And the unit of current is ampere or coulomb per second You can write coulomb per second. 1 coulomb per second is equal to 1 ampere. Ampere is the name of scientist. On honor of him, the unit of current is given. Are you getting my points? By this way, you can calculate the value of 1 ampere also. How you can calculate? If I am giving you the one questions, find out the value of 1 ampere means how many electron will transfer. When a current flowing 1 ampere in 1 second of any circuit, then how much electron will transfer? You can calculate. I is equal to, put the value Ne by T. Same formula for number of electron you want to calculate by the formula, that is I is equal to Ne by T. Put the value of I is equal to 1. N you have to calculate. E value you just put 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Upon time you are keeping 1. Then N is equal to, you will find 1 upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. And that value will obtain 6.25 into 10 to the power 18. Means in a 1 second, when a 1 ampere current is flowing, you will find the number of electron flowing is 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 into 10 to the power 18, means this much electron is transferring in a 1 second. This is all about your current. Thank you for watching my full video. Now you like and subscribe, and please click the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.